Oh, it's such a beautiful day to be outside. Especially since all those icky and disgusting rainy and stormy days we've had recently. They make me want to do this. Enjoy the fresh air. Hey, Banette! Oh, God, that can only be one person. Hi, Banette! Whoop! What do you want? I just wanted to say hi like any other friend would do. Who said we were friends? Oh, come on, Banette. I know you're my friend. You showered me in a bunch of rocks. I'm not your friend, you seal. Okay, first of all, that was kind of mean. And second of all, I'm a sea lion! Take two, please. Yeah, I'm sure we're friends on the inside. You disgust me. Hey, you! Oh no! Run! Run, Popplio! Why do we have to run? The PC is after us! PC? Wait. PC as in personal computer? No, idiot. PC as in Plushie Capturers. They hate plushies and they'll do anything to rid us. Oh. Banette, they've got a car! What are we gonna do? Don't worry. I've got a better one. Wow, nice car. But are you sure this is a good idea? Is my name Banette Doll? I don't know. Hit the gas! What was that, Banette? They're trying to run us off the road. Oh no, do something! Don't worry, I've got this all under control. Banette, do something, they're catching up. I've got a plan. Lucky for me, or us rather, we have plastic wheels when theirs are rubber. Wait. The car's out of control! Okay, Popplio. I am if you are, Bay. Are ya? No, not really. Oh, okay. Let's get back to dry land, shall we? But we are on dry land. You know what I mean, Popplio. That was crazy, right, Pops? Agreed. Oh boy. Well, we lost our car. Yeah. Hey, did you have insurance? Dang it. Rest in peace, car. 2017 to 2017. I'll be back, Popplio and Banette. And when I am, you won't like it. That's not my name! It's Banette!